Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got this 2004 Volvo S80, and what's happening is it doesn't shift out of gear. Now, it could be a couple of things. It could be the switch down here for the brake. So that's a safety thing. It sends a signal to the solenoid here to disengage this. But in my case, it's a whole broken shift knob. This whole thing broke off, and this thing is this stuff. Thing it goes back here. It's all falling apart. See it? It goes back here. You press it, and it releases. So let's change that. Okay, you want to start by releasing this boot. So you could take like a little screwdriver like this, or one of these trim tools, and you're gonna pry down on this. Release it down. Then you have this plastic piece here that comes down. And you could press on the sides here. There you go. So you could press on these sides. They go in. Okay. So this is down. Now you could jank up on this. Okay. And this is your broken piece. This is what I was telling you. You could press on the sides here, because this is what keeps that plastic piece on. So if you press on these a little bit, it helps you release that plastic ring. All right, guys. So you have this little lever. This goes up and down, and that's what releases this guy. It's not gonna do it now because I don't have the key in, but so this is a new shifter, and what this guy does is, see, it pushes the rod in and out. So take this out, put the new one in. There you go. And once it's fully seated, you're gonna put this piece back on. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little, see this little tab that goes towards the back. Okay. So put it in, and then you put your boot on, and you should be good to go. Now this thing comes up. All right, and there's a little lever down here. See this white thing? This is another way to release it. In my case, the shifter knob was broken, but if the shifter knob is good, you push down on this part like that, and that releases the shifter. All right, guys, I took everything apart just to show you what it looks like in there. So the mechanism and stuff. So right in here is the shifter solenoid. So hold on a second. Let me put the key in. Step on the brake. So every time you step on the brake, see that thing moving in there? It releases the shifter. Okay. So, but it still won't release it if this is, like I said, this has to come up. All right, guys, one last thing I forgot to mention. When you put this on, make sure you slam it down, okay, and it bottoms out. And then you could put your plastic piece and put your boot on, and then yank on it. Make sure it doesn't pop up on you, okay? So. There you go. It's just perfect now. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.